Welcome. This moment is yours. A space to slow down, to reconnect, and to remember your stillness within. Sit or lie down in a position that feels comfortable but alert. Allow your hands to rest loosely on your lap, your knees, or by your sides. Gently close your eyes. Begin to tune into your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose. Exhale gently through your mouth. Let go of your day so far. Let go of what comes next. Allow yourself to arrive fully here. Now we begin. With each breath, we'll repeat the mantra. I am calm. I am grounded. Let's say it together in your mind. Slowly. Inhale. I am calm. Exhale. I am grounded. Let this rhythm carry you inward. Repeat the mantra quietly to yourself with each breath. Inhale. I am calm. Exhale. I am grounded. Let the words wash over you like gentle waves. Feel them softening your edges, rooting your awareness, clearing your mind. If your attention drifts, that's okay. Just notice and return to the breath. Return to the mantra. I am calm. I am grounded. Again and again. Now, allow a gentle image to form in your mind. Imagine yourself sitting beneath a great ancient tree. Its trunk is strong. Its roots reach deep into the earth, and its branches rise high, touching the sky. You are sitting at its base, supported by the earth beneath you. With every breath in, feel the peaceful stillness of the tree. With every breath out, feel your body growing roots. Deep into the soil, anchoring you. Nothing can shake you. Nothing can pull you away from this moment. Feel the calm in your chest, the steadiness in your limbs. Stay here for a few more breaths. Gently bring the mantra back into your mind. Inhale. I am calm. Exhale. I am grounded. Allow the words to echo within you. Return to your natural breath. Notice the stillness you've created, the steadiness within. Take one final deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Begin to stretch if you'd like, And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Remember, this calm, grounded state lives within you. Thank yourself for showing up, for creating this space to breathe, to reset, and to return home to yourself. Place one hand gently on your heart. Feel your heartbeat steady and strong. You are here. You are whole. You are safe.